Hello everyone. Now please sit down.
Now I want to introduce the member of the meeting today, Mr. Buddhanakan Chairman. Mr. Konsujita is product group distinction. Mr. Yen is sales department. Mrs. Jensen is member. Mr. J. Sophie is a departmental district editor. Mrs. Ying Chan Lakana is member. Right now I introduce already. So my boss has something is share.
Okay. If we are all here, let's get started. I would like you to please join me in welcoming Conchita. She is a project vice president.
Thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to today's meeting.
I would also like to introduce Jensen, who recently our turn.
To start today's meeting.
Welcome to Okay, let's get started. We are here today to discuss ways of improving search in rural market area. First, let's go over the report from last meeting, which was held on last week. Right. Mrs. Dina.
Thank you, sir. Let me just summarize the point of the last meeting. We begin the meeting by approving change in our sales support system discussed on January 30. After break will take place. We move to on the brainstorming section. Considers as the sales customer support improvement. We will find the copy in this main idea, the develop at this section in this section in this copy in front of you. The meeting was declared closed at 11:30.
Thank you, Ms. Dina. So, is there nothing else we need to discuss? Let's move on. Agenda. Have you received a copy of agenda today? If you don't mind, I want to skip item 1 and move on to item 2. Start improvement in rural market area. Sujita has kindly agreed to give us a report on this matter. Sujita.
Before I begin the report, I like to get some idea from you all. How do you feel about rural sales in your rural district? I suggest we go around the table first to get all out. In my opinion, we have been focusing too much on urban customer and their needs. The way I see things, we need to return our rural base by developing and advertising campaign to focus on their particular needs.
I'm afraid I can't agree with you. I think rural customers want to feel as important as our rural sales team more help with advanced customer information reporting.
I don't quite follow you. What exactly do you mean?
Well, we provide our city sales staff with database information all of the customer. We should some sort of knowledge on our sales staff with there.
Would you like to add anything at that?
I mean, at most, I never thought about rural sales before. About rural sales that I have to give with Mr. James.
let's begin with this PowerPoint presentation. Unlocking new methods to reach out customer. This slide shows about a lot of new products in our company to fill customer requirement and was selling at the market. Products women's makeup and it was and it will sell at this summer. Do you have any question to ask me?
This can the idea we have been
Through my idea, I think you should a new product for men.
Thinking about it. For this idea, I think nowadays a lot of men like to make up the same women too. And we are thinking at next year.
Do you have anything else?
Nothing from me.
Nothing for me. It's good idea.
Okay. Unfortunately, we are running short of time. We will have to leave that to another time.
Before we close, let me just summarize the first main point, rural customer needs special help. The second main point, our sales team needs more accurate information on our customer. The third main point, a survey will be complete data to collect data on spending have with this area. The fourth main point, the result of this survey will be delivered to our sales team. And the last main point, we are considering specific data meeting procedure to help deepen our understanding.
Thank you very much, Rita. Meeting over today. Now the meeting is closed.